Thinking of starting an advertising business in Singapore? As a regional business hub with a strong digital economy, Singapore offers excellent opportunities for advertising agencies serving local, regional, and global clients. An advertising business may provide services such as digital marketing, social media advertising, branding, media buying, content creation, or performance marketing. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and clearly define your advertising and marketing service activities. Next, consider regulatory and industry compliance. Advertising businesses must comply with advertising standards, consumer protection laws, and data protection regulations, especially when handling customer data and digital campaigns. Clear contracts and transparent pricing help build client trust. Operational planning is key to success. This includes building your creative and media team, selecting tools and platforms, defining service packages, and developing a strong client acquisition strategy. Sound financial planning ensures effective cash flow management and tax compliance as your agency grows. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support advertising and marketing businesses with company incorporation, tax planning, regulatory compliance, and accounting services, so you can focus on delivering impactful campaigns.